In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a privacy policy in WordPress. A privacy policy page is a document required by law that discloses the information you collect about visitors on your website. It's recommended to add a privacy policy page to your website whether you're a blogger, a freelancer, or a business owner. Now, the problem is most beginners don't know how to create a legitimate privacy policy and then display it on their website. But no need to worry, since today I'm going to show you how you can create a privacy policy page and display it on your website. First, in your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Privacy. Now, here you can choose the page you want to set as a privacy policy page. But what we're going to do is create a new privacy policy page. So, do so by clicking here on Create. And you can see all the information which is automatically added. You can go through this page and make edits wherever needed as per your site. You can add more information or edit the one which is already provided. Then click on Publish. Now let's view the page. After you've created a privacy policy page, you need to display it somewhere on your site. It can be your website's sidebar, footer, or the menu. So I'm going to display mine on the menu. Back in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Menu. Now in the page's menu items, I'll select the View All option. And then just select the privacy policy page from here and click on Add to Menu. You can rearrange the menu as you like. Then click on Save Menu. Now let's go to the website to see how it looks. As you can see, the privacy policy page was added on the menu. And when a user clicks on it, then the privacy policy page will open where they can read all your terms and policy. This is how you can add a privacy policy in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.